All right, welcome back, everybody. Cyber Algebra 2, Topic 7, Lesson 7-3, Trigonometry. And first problem on this Lesson 7-3 that I've assigned to you is we have the cotangent of negative 180 degrees. So let's just remember a few things here that we've reviewed before, but just in case you forgot them, if we have our unit circle, a negative rotation, we know that the circumference is 2 pi r. And so since a radian, whenever you are measuring in degrees or radian, let's do radians, 2 pi is all the way around the circle. This problem, we are working with degrees, so we don't really have to use that. But just want to remind you that since that's something that's new to many of you in this class. So a negative 180 degrees would take us to here on our unit circle. Remember, that's the coordinate right there, negative 1, 0. And they're talking about cotangent. So remember tangent, that would be the reciprocal function, and tangent is TOA. So we'll go back to that so cotangent is, instead of tangent being O over A, cotangent or the reciprocal. So A over O, it's the adjacent over the opposite. Adjacent. Now remember, when you're talking about these triangles, the adjacent side, reference angle always here with the x-axis. Adjacent side is always x. Opposite side is your y. So in this case, we also, if you remember, we had that was just as a refresher. So that was always going to be that x was the cosine over y was the sine. So we don't really need that here again, but that's just another piece of information that sometimes you might want to use. So put it in there, just more times you see it, more likely you might remember it. So let's see, we are talking about x over y. Well, what's our x value here at this point? Our x value is negative 1. Our y value is 0. Well, we're dividing by a 0. If I had 6 objects, and if you go all the way back to when you learned division, remember fraction, this is like a division problem, negative 1 divided by 0. If I told you 6 divided by 3, do you remember that was like take and make groups of 3, and then how many groups do you have? Well, you've got a negative 1, and you're supposed to split it into 0. I don't know how to do that. That's not possible. So our solution to this problem right here is not possible. We can't divide by 0. So let's see, we select the second option B that says it's undefined. Check our answer. That's what we've got. So quite a bit of review there. Could have told you that probably in about 30 seconds, but just remember we got all those other pieces here that you also need to know. Don't get stuck on this. If you have questions, lots of videos out there, resources you can look up on your own. Check it out. I like to use YouTube for when I do it. So good luck. You got this. Have a great day.